Moa, near the eastern tip of Cuba, is home to the country's largest open-cast mines.
Nickel is one of Cuba's few natural resources, and it's long been one of the island's top export earners.
Global nickel prices are at a 5-year low. This has impacted not just on revenues, but has also delayed much-needed modernisation of the processing facilities that could help boost production. A new acid production plant is finally nearing completion, financed by the Canadian joint venture partner Sherritt International.
Nickel prices have made things very difficult over the last couple of years, but we've continued to maintain and function and be a low-cost producer.
But plans to extend the oldest section were put on hold when nickel prices fell.
This plant behind me is one of the key parts of the nickel-making process, liquidizing the ore and extracting the nickel. It was built by the Americans in the 1950s and nationalized by Fidel Castro after the revolution.
The Soviets took over the facility. Then in the 1990s, the Canadians stepped in. Despite the US trade embargo, Sherritt formed a joint venture with the Cuban government. The ore is processed in Cuba, then refined into finished nickel in Canada. Sales go mainly to China and Europe. Now, if the US compensation claim can be resolved, this could open the door to new markets and technologies.
I think that this has been taken into account in the current normalization process with the U.S. Later, we'll be able to closely see the main opportunities for the two sides so that we can develop and exchange technology and expertise too.
Nickel is an important component in the manufacture of stainless steel. The Moa mine also produces cobalt used to make alloys for jet engines. The US is a major importer of both metals. Its nearest supplier could in the future be Cuba. Michael Voss, CCTV, Moa, Cuba.